Hi darlings, welcome to Olyscuisines channel, and today from the title you can tell I will be showing you how to use uma leaves, how to wash it, and how to use it to wrap moi moi. Okay, so first things first, you've gotten the uma leaves from the market. You just need to put water in a bowl, put in some salt and lime, well, or lime. You can either use salt or you use lime or you use both because we got to be extra. So I just tried to show you guys that this leaf was very sandy. Sometimes you don't get the ones that are like this dirty, but on this particular day somehow it was just very dirty. So I just gently rinse it, and I tried to use my hand to rub down the surface. So basically, I repeated the same process for all the leaves. I disposed the water and rinsed the leaves thoroughly. So you need to rinse this thoroughly, right? Because you don't want to make moi moi and then you're chewing sand from the leaves. That won't be nice. So just repeat this process, and then you can put the oma leaves in a drainer, or you can just put it on the plate and then you go ahead and start wrapping the moi moi. So these are the leaves, and I'm going to show you how to wrap with it. So this is the moi moi in the bowl, and then we have the leaves. So you're just going to try to make a cone. You're going to flip the leaf just like you've seen on the screen, and you just roll it from the tip. Is that the tip? You roll it from the bottom sha. You roll it to the other end and you form the cone. So you just need to take it backward just like I've done, and that is so that when you pour it in it does not leak from that end. So you put in your moi moi and then you close it like so. So when you've closed this, one part should be on top of the, obviously one is going to be like under the other parts, just so that it can relax when you've placed it in the pot. So you would notice for this one, I use just one leaf. So if you want to use one leaf, you have to use like a big one or maybe small ones, depending on the quantity you want to make. So I'm going to be showing you how I use two leaves. So you need a smaller leaf and one bigger than the smaller leaf, right? So you just place them and make sure that the stalk of the leaves align, and then you go ahead to make a cone again. You just wrap it around. This is very easy, honestly. You just need to look closely. You don't even need this voiceover, trust me. You just need to look closely and repeat the process, and before you know what is happening, you're already wrapping this like a professional. So I'm just going to close this and flip it, and then I'm going to show you how I place them in the pot. So first thing you want to put in the pot is the stalk from the leaves. If you don't have the stalk, maybe like if they didn't give it to you at the market, that's fine. After the stalk, what I usually put next is like leaves, the uma leaves, the ones that are not really good. So I just place them down and then I gradually arrange this. It's not difficult. You just need to arrange them in such a way that none is pouring. And then after that, you cover up with some leaves, and you see how I've added water, and that is it.